Today we're looking at a 2016 Mazda CX-9. It's got 13,000 miles on it. It's Soul Red Metallic in color. All right, it's a touring edition. It's got the xenon headlights. All right, go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Turn signals in the mirrors. Lock unlock button right here on the door handle. It's got the alloy wheels on it. Rear park assist. Rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive, and it does have the Sky Active technology. All right, make our way down the passenger seat or passenger side. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this vehicle. Only 13,000 miles on it. Take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows. It's got the Bose audio, power liftgate, blind spot monitoring, rear park assist. It does have the black leather power driver's seat. All right, leather's in good shape. It does have sunroof. It does have your keyless entry key fob. All right, and then a cool feature of this console just opens right up. It's got your USB ports, auxiliary port there. Okay, perforated centers, center of the seat with the leather trim. But the passenger seat is in great shape as well. All right, there's your information area. It's your control panel, and I'll show you that in a second, to your touch screen up here on the dash. All right, different kind of sport mode, dual climate controls, heated seats, push button start. All right, and there's your display. It's going to have your backup camera, navigation, all that, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 13,899 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you your display screen here. All right, and all of this is controlled by this right here, what I was talking to you about earlier. Got your navigation button, your home button, go straight to music, your back button, and then this button here, this button here is what cycles through all this for you. Okay, so if you want to go to navigation, hit that and hit the button. There you go, there's your navigation. Let's go ahead and engage backup camera. All right, and then we'll take you right back to your home screen. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. All right, let's take a look back here in the back seat. First thing I want to show you, it's got the cool visors here, shades in the back window, especially if you got kids. That's a nice feature there. All right, back seat leather's in good shape. Everything looks really good there. Let's go ahead and fold this down. Got your center console. Okay, it's also got USB ports right there. That's really cool. Okay, with your cup holders. All right, and then it's got your rear heat, rear air. Okay, go ahead and let you see the driver's eye view, the layout of the dash. All right, and it is a third row CX-9. Okay, there's your third row right there. Third row seats are been well taken care of. Hardly looks like anybody's even sat back there. All right, but the interior of the CX-9 is in great shape. All right, it's only got 13,000 miles on it. Power liftgate. All right, carpet back here looks good. Okay, not a ton of room whenever you got the third row up, but if you want to put the third row seats down, really easy to do. You just pull this lever down here and then just push the seat. I was trying to do this with one hand here. Push the seat there, and then you can see that opens it up quite a bit back there for your storage. Okay, and then to get the lift gate down, simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming down. All right, let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Plenty of tread left on the tires. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Mazda CX-9 Touring Edition. All right, it's got all the bells and whistles. It's 13,000 miles on it. Things in great shape inside and out. Come down, take a test drive, check it out, and thank you for watching the video.